Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel coming at you live downtown Kansas City in the Westbottoms. Boy, do we have a heavily anticipated truck for you today. Lot of people inquiring about this truck. But first guys, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Always got cool trucks coming to the channel. If you like diesels, repairs, anything, drop us a like. Today we've got an 06 Ford F350 1-ton short bed flatbed in the XLT Sport package. So black painted accessories, black leather interior, carbon fiber trim, super rare truck. They call it the XLT Sport package. Oh, and it came with a sunroof. Huge bonus. All right, we're gonna be cold starting it today though. About 60 degrees out. As you can tell, trans is barely showing temp. Engine no temp. It's been driven, you know, quarter mile. So 161,825 on the miles. Truck fires right up. We have done a lot of service. I'm gonna go over it today, but if you want to know the service, hop on my website, 816diesel.com. Right across the screen there. Boom. Close to $15,000 in service. This truck has some cool parts on it. We're going to be covering all that today as we do this video. Right out the gate, Kenwood double din head unit with nav and everything. Trailer brakes, nothing fancy in here. It is an XLT package with the sport interior. That got you painted bumpers, painted door handles, black leather, the only way you could get it, or if you got a Harley Davidson truck, only way you could get black on black in a Ford back then. Other than that, pretty nice. It's got the console, so that means you got seat belts for 5 in here. Overhead, that's for your sunroof. You know, it's got a super nice flatbed on it. When this truck came in, guys, it needed some love, and that's what I'm getting ready to tell you. We put 8 Reman injectors in it, brand new Reman injectors, all new gaskets, and then we did the head gaskets. And you can see that previous video. If you go back 2 or 3 videos, you'll see this black truck. We do a time lapse on the head stud job. It got resurfacing of the heads down at Nolands Cylinder Heads in Kansas City, which is one of the best diesel head shops around. They fire ring the heads. We put them back together with OEM Ford head gaskets and all OEM gaskets from there down. So ARP head studs, EGR deleted. This truck has BD up pipes. It's got a FASS 220 on it with a sump. Nice fuel setup. This truck's pretty dang cool, and it looks like it's been meant for work, and it hasn't been hot rodded at all. It's got a pretty nice work vibe to it. So not much more going on the inside. I'm going to back up so we can get out under the hood and walk around and check it out, because I know this truck's going to go nuts. I've had people calling me trying to get it for the last couple of months, and we did a lot of work to it, you know, almost 15 G's in work. So let's go ahead and go over all that work, what you're getting here for it. So we've got a Sinister coolant filtration, a relatively new set of Everstart batteries. Very minimal blow by, none really at all. Stock turbo, dual alternator setup, K&N cold air intake, ARP head studs. The EGR is gone. And like I said, 8 injectors. Truck runs and drives awesome. Harley Davidson headlights, painted grille with painted emblem, billet inserts, painted front bumper. It's got some dings in it though. It's not new. This truck is an 06, guys, so keep in mind it's been used for work. Got some upgraded Bushwhacker fender flares, not the cheap eBay ones, the actual Bushwhacker brand. Smoke 5 highs, 08 mirrors with the lenses, smoke lenses in them. Clear style Harley Davidson headlights. It got 4 brand new BDS shocks. It's got a 3-inch leveling kit that was already on it when we got it. All the suspension's new, upper and lower ball joints, tire rods, front brakes, pads, rotors, rear brakes, rotors, calipers, or pads and calipers. Tinted windows. And the flatbed was already on it when we bought it. There's that FASS system. It's a 220. We put new filters on it. It's got a nice sump down there. Works great. The flatbed is a Cadet Dorado. Look them up. They're super cool. Got a gooseneck hitch under the cover. We've got folding bed arms you can actually remove. Tie down eyelets that pop up. All LED lights, head to toe, all of them brand new LED. Couple of shackles down here, 2-inch receiver hitch. Truck has a full exhaust. As you can tell, it sounds pretty nice. That looks to be brand new. I mean, all the hardware's new. It's in fabulous condition. It didn't get a lot of use, I can tell you that. And it's got a super tough look to it. That bed's just awesome. I think it makes the truck personally. Check the rust down there. It's not a rust-free truck, but it's not bad, guys. Just trying to give you a condition idea down there. Black leather's in nice shape. AC works, heat works. It's got a beautiful headache rack, sliding rear glass. All in all, this truck is in phenomenal condition. And like I said, we did all the service to it. All the nightmare 6.0 problems you hear about, we've covered them. We've gone through this thing head to toe. I can answer any question about it, but we know this truck well. We've had it for a few months, and it just required a little more than most of them. And it is sitting on a set of 35-inch Nitto Mud Grapplers. And as you can tell, they got plenty of tread life on them. They're not bald at all. Plenty of tread, but they make a little noise. You can tell they're slightly cupped, but I mean, look at that tread. They got a lot of life left in them. So working tires, working bed, black on black short bed with a sunroof. I mean, this truck has it all going on. And look at it, it's sharp. But guys, if you're interested in the truck, head on over to my website, 816diesel.com. On the website, you're gonna find all the info I covered. You're gonna find a big receipt with all the service I mentioned. That way you got it for your records. Pictures, VIN number, pricing, everything you want to know. It's going to be on that website. So one more time, 816diesel.com. Head there now. If you're interested in coming to look at the truck, test drive it, check it out, give me a holler. There's only 2 of us, guys. We're pretty short staffed. Coronavirus, everyone's feeling the repercussions of the inflation and all the issues in the industry, but we're around typically 6 days a week, every day but Sunday, to come check out these trucks. So if you are interested, drop us a line. My name's Cameron. 913-735-3748 is my cell. Call or text me if you got any questions. Thank you for watching today, guys. I appreciate your time as always. Like and subscribe, and have a great day.